The consonant sound p and b. The consonant sound p. Pay, pat, play, help, lamp, happy, apple, whisper, purple, trip, stop, sleep, map, prepare, pizza, party, April, stamps. Example sentence: let's prepare some pizza. Let's have a party in April. I'm happy for the trip. Let's pay the apple, then we play. Ask and answer. How many apples are there? There are 6 apples. When's the party? It's in April. What should we prepare? Let's prepare some pizza. What makes you happy? Playing games makes me happy. Can you stop the trip? No, we can't. The sound b. Bread, bag, baby, bloom, cab. Different sounds p or b. Bin, pin, pack, back, bowl, pole, pear, bear. Read and point. Bowl, pole, bear, pear, pack, back, pin, bin. Ask and answer. Have you seen the bear? Yes, it's eating a pear. Have you seen the pin? Yes, it's in the bin. Can you pack your bags? Sure. The consonant sounds p and b.